Good morning, students of Standard 7. In continuation with the advent of Christianity, we proceed with the Crusades. Now, what are Crusades? The Crusades are the series of religious wars initiated, supported, and sometimes directed by the Latin Church in medieval period. That means from 1095 CE, Pope Urban II urged Christians to go on a holy war and recapture Jerusalem. And therefore, between 1096 CE and 1291 CE, 8 crusades were fought, but they were not able to recapture Jerusalem. There were many causes that led to the impact of the crusades. The impact of the crusades can be classified into these reasons. Increased the authority of the Pope. So, the Pope became the religious leader of the Christians, and the Christian people, they regarded Pope as the spiritual leader and their guidance. So therefore, the authority of the Pope increased in the church. People began to respect and honor the Pope as their spiritual and religious leader. Second, we have exposed the culture and scientific progress of the Greek and Turks. So therefore, as the Christian missionaries began to travel across the world, and so they came in contact with the different regions of the world, and the culture and scientific progress began to be known. The Turks, they learned the idea of gunpowder from the Turks, and this created a way in fighting their knights, and this also caused the decline of feudalism in Europe. Third, we have increased trade contact between Asia and Europe. As these Christian missionaries, they went on trade to different countries. They came in contact with the different rulers or different countries, and as a trade and contact began to take place. Many goods were imported, exported from the European countries to Asia, and as a result, like many big towns, industrial towns came up like Venice, Pisa, they became the commercial centers of Europe, and the exchange of goods took place. Therefore, in short, we can say that knitted the Europe and Asia into single trade unions as trade and commerce flourished. So these were some of the impacts of the Crusades. Now we come down to the the monasteries and its impacts. The monasteries, as the church began, the monasteries were supposed to be the house for the monks or the religious leaders. They used to live in monasteries, and the female, they were called the nuns, and they lived in monasteries or called the convent. And so these monasteries served as a base of learning and spreading Christianity through their moral values and teachings. In this, we have Center for Spreading Christianity. So the monasteries became a center for spreading Christianity to the different part, because these monks and nuns, they studied the scriptures, the Holy Bible, and they spread their message to a different part of the country. And sometimes they even toured to the different parts of the country to spread the message of Jesus Christ. Then the center of learning. The monasteries also became the center of learning. Many religious teachings were taught, and also the schools were opened up that became a center of learning in all different forms of field, like the church, the Bible, and other educational institutions also became as a center of learning in the church. Then finally, we have the served the people. The church became a service. That means the motto of the church was to service for all. That means to serve the people, and therefore they used to, apart from the teaching or spreading the message of Christ, they began to serve the people. So special day like the Sundays, the church were held, and the authorities, they took several measures to look after the needy and the poor, and opened orphanages and help the needy and poor. So as a result, they served the people in many ways. That's why we can call it the service was the motto of the church. So these were some of the impacts of the monasteries that we dealt that were left over in the last topic. So we will deal more in the next topic. With this we come to the end of chapter 2. Hope you go through the previous lessons and read and enjoy. If you find any difficulty, you can contact me. Have a good day. God bless you.